something very simple, but I think very easy and very useful these days. So here we start. We're gonna do tzatziki. So we are using this yogurt. This is from Costco. It's the Greek yogurt, organic. So we're gonna use one full box of this, and we're gonna have it here ready. And first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut 2 cucumbers. We're gonna just chop the ends simply, and we are gonna grind them with a bigger one of these, so that side. So I grind 2 cucumbers. Here we go. I don't know if you can see, so this is what I'm doing, grinding the cucumbers. And this tzatziki is something that it's great to eat with potatoes. It's great to add a little bit like on the side of a salad. Already mixed 2 cucumbers grinded and some of the dill cut very small, and also I have a small garlic clove. So this is basically the recipe of tzatziki. So to this, very healthy, very fresh, great for lamb, great for dips. So with carrots, with celery, that's what you're gonna enjoy. So you're gonna put it all together there. And basically we're gonna mix it. Add at the end of the top a little bit of olive oil, and you're ready to go. More simple than this you won't have. And it's fresh, it's flavorful. The dill fresh gives like